Welcome guys to the last video in the playlist of HR Foundation. Today we are going to talk about how to start an HR career. Starting a HR career but do not know where to begin. Today I am answering the most common questions people ask about building a successful HR career. Human resource is the function that helps organizations hire, train, manage, and support their people. If you love working with people and improving workplaces, HR might be perfect for you. You can start HR career with a degree in HR, business psychology, or even in other fields. Certifications like strategic human resource management or simple online courses will help you to stand out. To grow in HR, you will need strong communication skills, empathy, problem solving, and ability to stay organized and excel in this field. All of these are very important to grow personally in your career and to excel in your future. You don't need a big HR job on day one. Most people start as intern, HR assistant, recruiter, or HR coordinator. These roles help you understand real HR work. Once you gain experience, you can grow into recruiting, training, development, HR analytics, payroll, talent management, or as a HR manager. As a HR person, your role will be very different in each position. Now we have the $1,000,000 question, how to begin. As we know the different roles, to begin actually experience matters a lot, but you can build it through internships, volunteering, freelance, recruiting, or HR projects in your school or community. Here are some tips to grow in HR career. Keep learning, sharpen your communication, network with HR professionals, and get comfortable using HR softwares. The most important and well-known HR softwares are Human Resource Information System and Application Tracking System. HR is a career that grows with you. If you enjoy helping people and sharing workplaces, you are already on the right path. Want more HR career guidance? Please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thank you so